झाड़ू लगा दी? Have you swept the floor? Have you swept the floor? कचरा बाहर फेंक दिया? Did you throw out trash? Did you throw out the trash? फर्श पर बहुत धूल है. There is a lot of dust on the floor. There is a lot of dust on the floor. सोफे के नीचे भी साफ कर लो. Clean under the sofa as well. Clean under the sofa as well. पंखे बहुत गंदे हो गए हैं. The fans have become very dirty. The fans have become very dirty. चादर बदल दो. Change the bedsheet. Change the bedsheet. बर्तन धोने की आवाज क्यों नहीं आ रही? Why can't I hear the sound of washing utensils? Why can't I hear the sound of washing utensils? झाड़न कहाँ रखा है? Where is the duster? Where is the duster? खिड़कियाँ अच्छी तरह से साफ करो. Clean the windows properly. Clean the windows properly. टेबल पर बहुत गंदगी है. The table is very messy. The table is very messy. किचन में फर्श पर पानी गिरा है. There is a water spilled on the kitchen floor. There is water spilled on the kitchen floor. कालीन पर दाग लग गया है. There is a stain on the carpet. There is a stain on the carpet. डस्टबिन खाली कर दो. Empty the dustbin. Empty the dustbin. कुशन कवर धोने होंगे. The cushion covers need to be washed. The cushion covers need to be washed. मेज की सतह पोंछ दो. Wipe the surface of the table. Wipe the surface of the table. दरवाजे पर बहुत गंदगी हो गई है. The door has become very dirty. The door has become very dirty. सफाई करने के बाद सुगंधित स्प्रे छिड़क दो. Spray air freshener after cleaning. Spray air freshener after cleaning. कोने में जाले लगे हुए हैं. There are cobwebs in the corner. There are cobwebs in the corner. घर कब तक साफ होगा? When will the house be clean? When will the house be clean? सामान सही जगह पर रख दो. Put the items in their proper place. Put the items in their proper place. टीवी के ऊपर धूल है, साफ करो. There is dust on the TV. Clean it. There is dust on the TV. Clean it. मुझे वैक्यूम क्लीनर ला कर दो. Bring me the vacuum cleaner. Bring me the vacuum cleaner. रसोई में चिपचिपाहट हो रही है. The kitchen feels sticky. The kitchen feels sticky. कपड़े फोल्ड करके अलमारी में रख दो. Fold the clothes and put them in the wardrobe. Fold the clothes and put them in the wardrobe. लाइट के स्विच भी गंदे हैं. The light switches are also dirty. The light switches are also dirty. यह सफाई कब से नहीं हुई थी? When was this last cleaned? When was this last cleaned? टॉयलेट भी साफ कर लो. Clean the toilet as well. Clean the toilet as well. आज सब जगह पोछा लगा दो. Mop the entire house today. Mop the entire house today. शीशा साफ नहीं दिख रहा. The mirror isn't looking clean. The mirror isn't looking clean. सफाई बहुत अच्छी हो रही है. The cleaning is going very well. The cleaning is going very well. सफाई अच्छे से करना कोने कोने में. Clean properly every corner. Clean properly every corner. फ्रिज के अंदर भी सफाई करनी है. The fridge needs to be cleaned inside too. The fridge needs to be cleaned inside too. कचरे का बैग पूरा भर गया है. The trash bag is completely full. The trash bag is completely full. दरवाजे के हैंडल गंदे हो गए हैं. The door handles have become dirty. The door handles have become dirty. झाड़ू और पोछा एक साथ कर लेना. Sweep and mop together. Sweep and mop together. अलमारी के ऊपर धूल जमा हो गई है. Dust has gathered on the top of the cupboard. Dust has gathered on the top of the cupboard. सफाई के बाद सामान जगह पर रखना. Put everything back in place after cleaning. Put everything back in place after cleaning. फर्श पर पानी गिरा मत देना. Don't spill water on the floor. Don't spill water on the floor. किचन में सिंक बहुत गंदा है. The kitchen sink is very dirty. The kitchen sink is very dirty. पानी से भरा पोछा मत लगाओ. Don't mop with a soaking wet cloth. Don't mop with a soaking wet cloth. फूलदान को धूल से साफ कर लो. Dust the flower vase. Dust the flower vase. टीवी के रिमोट को भी साफ कर दो. Clean the TV remote as well. Clean the TV remote as well. कूड़ेदान में पॉलीथीन डालना मत भूलना. Don't forget to put a polythene bag in the dustbin. Don't forget to put a polythene bag in the dustbin. सफाई करते समय खिड़कियां खोल देना. Open the windows while cleaning. Open the windows while cleaning. जाले हटाने की छड़ी कहाँ है? Where is the stick to remove cobwebs? Where is the stick to remove cobwebs? पानी की बाल्टी कहाँ रखी है? Where is the water bucket kept? Where is the water bucket kept? ड्रेसिंग टेबल का शीशा धुंधला हो गया है. The dressing table mirror has become foggy. The dressing table mirror has become foggy. पर्दे झाड़ लो, बहुत धूल है. Dust the curtains, they are very dusty. Dust the curtains, they are very dusty. तौलिया से गीला सामान पोंछ दो. Wipe the wet items with a towel. Wipe the wet items with a towel. गैस स्टोव भी साफ करना है. The gas stove needs to be cleaned too. The gas stove needs to be cleaned too. जूते रैक में ठीक से रख दो. Arrange the shoes properly in the rack. Arrange the shoes properly in the rack. बच्चों के कमरे में बहुत सामान फैला हुआ है. There is a lot of stuff scattered in the kids' room. There is a lot of stuff scattered in the kids' room. दीवारों पर निशान लग गए हैं. The walls have stains on them. The walls have stains on them. फर्श पर पोछा सही से लगाओ. Mop the floor properly. Mop the floor properly. लाइट्स के स्विच पैनल को भी साफ कर दो. Clean the light switch panels too. Clean the light switch panels too. पानी का पोछा ज्यादा बार मत लगाओ. Don't mop with water too many times. Don't mop with water too many times. सीढ़ियों की सफाई कौन करेगा? Who will clean the stairs? Who will clean the stairs? किचन में गंदगी मत फैलाओ. Don't make a mess in the kitchen. Don't make a mess in the kitchen. सफाई के बाद हाथ धो लेना. Wash your hands after cleaning. Wash your hands after cleaning. सफाई में देर क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you taking so long to clean? Why are you taking so long to clean?